my name's Mark, and today we're doing a favorite for the spring and going into the summer. We're going to be doing lobster rolls. We're going to be doing them two different ways, but we're going to do the traditional way, and then we're going to do like maybe the Connecticut way of doing it with the butter. But first of all, let's go ahead and get started and show you the ingredients to this. We have mayonnaise just to bind it together, salt and pepper, some lemon juice, fresh dill, celery, and parsley. We're gonna put this all in this bowl. We have about a pound of sweet lobster meat here. Just about a pound of it. And we're using the claw meat because it is a little sweeter. You can use any part of the lobster that you want, but we just specifically wanted to do it traditionally. And so we're gonna show you this way. And then of course, we have, what you're gonna need is some hot dog rolls, or either, if you can find them, the lobster rolls. They call these hot dog rolls, but we're gonna split the top of them and then butter the sides and get it nice and buttery with the lobster. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Thank you for watching our channel, and let's see how this goes. Now on to the next one. This next one is a Connecticut lobster roll. It's not the traditional one because this one's like a real buttery one. Both of them, you want the bread to be kind of buttery and crispy and everything, because nothing goes better with the lobster than butter. And if you can get a nice soft, crisp outside roll and soft on the inside and crisp on the outside, that's the ticket right there to a good lobster roll. So what we've done here is melted about 2 tablespoons, large tablespoons of butter, and we sprinkled some Old Bay seasoning, about a teaspoon of Old Bay, a teaspoon of tarragon leaves. They don't have to be fresh tarragon leaves, just dry is fine. And that's as simple as it can get right here. If you're looking at it right here, I mean, it's not drowning in the butter or anything like that. And we've just sprinkled enough on there so you can get the flavor out of the meat, but the meat can stand alone by itself. So you don't have to overdo it with anything when it comes to these lobster rolls. So we're gonna go ahead and let you see how we cook this in. The meat of the lobster on both the original one and this Connecticut, it's already pre-cooked. So we've got about 1 pound of lobster meat in the first one and about maybe a half a pound of lobster meat here. And so we've got this all in the skillet right now just to warm up and let the butter get into it a little bit. So next we're gonna drop down. The important part here is the bread. And this is for both. And then we'll plate them up. So once you have them in the skillet, you've got them browning on each side, and then just make sure they don't burn. You can kind of like turn them or toss them around a little bit. Keep the heat on very low so they don't cook too fast. You just want them to get kind of crispy on the outside, and then to kind of keep the middle soft to receive the lobster. Looks like I'm playing 3-card Molly or something here, but I'm just trying to make sure that none of them gets burned. So we're going to go ahead and move them around a little bit. Thank you for watching our channel, Played It. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. And most importantly, leave a comment, because the comments are really going to help us go and decide what to put on next as well. What people like, what they want to see. So. And now it's time to plate it. And you can see that we're plating the first traditional lobster roll in first that was binded with the mayonnaise. And the second one that we'll show you, the last one we'll show you, will be the Connecticut one, which is the butter one. So take a look at this. It turned out really good. It was very, very meaty, but very, very delicious. And this is the Connecticut one right here. It's got the butter in it and the seasoning, the Old-Bay seasoning, about a teaspoon of that and a teaspoon of tarragon. And that's it. It's that simple. So we'll let you kind of watch the money shot here at the end with the picture. Thanks again for watching Played It. We appreciate your viewership.